Welcome to the CSIT Experts online forum. In this short video, I will show you how to push or export your local Eclipse project into a GitHub repository. That means if you have an Eclipse project that is in your local machine, but you have not connected with it with any GitHub repository, so then you can do it. So there are some prerequisites for this task. First of all, you need to install Git, and you have to create a GitHub account, and you have to install and configure Java, JDK, and Eclipse. In some of my previous videos, I have shown this. If you go back to my YouTube channel, and if you see if you go to Git and GitHub related videos playlist, then you will see I have shown here how to install Git and how to create a GitHub account, and I have also shown in other videos how to install Java JDK and how to create how to download and install and configure Eclipse, and how to create a new Java project with Eclipse. But this is a reverse order task. That means if you already have created a Java project but you have not linked it with any GitHub project, then you can do that. So first of all, open your Eclipse project, and see for instance the my world, this project, it is a local project in my computer, and I want to export it to GitHub. Then first of all, I will do a right click, and I will click on show in. Then I will click on System Explorer. Then it will show me the location of my project in my computer workspace. So for safety, I will select it and copy and paste it. I will keep a copy of this project, so in case if I do any mistake, so that later I can go back to my original project. This is my reason to save it. Okay, so then now what I will do, I will close Eclipse. And then I have a backup copy of my project. Now what I will do, I will go to my GitHub account. And I will see my repositories, and I see that I have already created this repository a few minutes ago, but I will delete it for now. So I will select it, and then I will delete it. So how to delete a repository from GitHub? So just select the project and then click on settings from here, and then go all the way down, and you see delete this repository. Click on delete this repository, and here it is showing me some warning. It shows that if I delete my project, it cannot be undone, so I cannot get my project back. So definitely I need, in order to delete a project, I need to be careful. So then I will copy, it needs me for security or double check, I need to copy this project name from here, and then I need to paste it here, and then okay, an extra page was coming, so I deleted the extra space. Then I click on I understand the consequences, delete this repository. It's okay, I deleted this repository. I don't have that project anymore. So now what I will do, I will create a same project. So here my world is my project name. So actually this is a project name, so just I select and rename, and then I got the name my world. So I could type in, then I will click on name, new, and then I will click on new over here, and then I will paste the repository name over here. I could type in my world, and then the description is optional, so I will give it my world Java project. Okay, so then I will keep it as a public project. Then I will select initialize this repository with a readme. Then I will select my favorite language Java. Then I will select a license file over here, and then now I will click on create repository. So then when I click on create repository, it's just a blank repository it is created. Then I will click on either I can do download as a zip, or I can clone it. Just I'm clicking over here, then this address, entire address is copied. So there, okay, at this point now what I will do, I will open command window, and then I will go to workspace. I will go to my workspace folder. So then cd, then I will type in w and then press tab, then press enter. It is going to my workspace folder. Now what I will do, I will clone my project. So I will type git space clone, then space, then I will do shift insert or control V. Then let us try if it works. So it does not work. You see that it does not work because I was trying to clone this project as this name, but in my workspace there is already my original project name, my world, same name. So what I need to do here, I need to rename this original project over here now, otherwise it will not work. So let me rename it as like this way. So then now if I give, just I'm pressing up arrow, if I give my clone command again, so then it will clone my project. So now this is the clone project from GitHub, but it is an empty project. But I have my original project, local project is in this my world 00 folder. So what I will do, I will copy this entire thing. I will click over here, press Ctrl E, then select everything, Ctrl C, copied everything, and then I will go to this folder. I will paste everything. Okay, once I paste everything, so I have, now I can delete my this folder. I don't need this anymore. Okay, I don't need this anymore. Please remember that in order to do this, you have to close your Eclipse, otherwise you may corrupt your file. So now you open your Eclipse. Okay, so when you open your Eclipse, just you refresh your program, you refresh your project. Okay, your project is refreshed. You see that it has license and readme files added, but I already have my previous projects over like I already have my previous programs over here. So if I double check that these are running already, okay, so this is an empty. So now what I will do, so I have copied my GitHub project actually GitHub repository into my local project. Now I need to integrate this. So now what I will do, I will go into this folder. So then what is the cd command? Cd my world. Okay, so then now if I do a status command, git space status, then I will see that I have untracked files. So these are the actually dot class path, and then dot project, dot settings, and then src. These files are untracked. Untracked means these I copied from remember from my world 00. Now I will add this. So git space add space dot, then everything is added. So now I will give the third commit command. So git commit space -m, then I will write a comment over here so that I remember what I have done over here. Git GitHub repo is integrated with local project, and this is my comment statement. Now if I open my Eclipse, I will see that my project is okay now. But if I refresh my project, maybe let me see now what I will do. Then I need to do the push command. So git push origin master. Okay, sorry, I did a mistake. I misspelled origin. Okay, so once I press enter, then it is showing me I have to log in to my GitHub account, because I do not have SSH key set up on this computer. So I have to put my GitHub username or email. My username is CSIT@experts, and then I have to give my password. So if I give my username and password correctly, and if I click on OK, it should be committed. So you see that it shows my master to master. That means my project is updated on GitHub account. So now I am in my GitHub account, and then if I refresh my project, you will see that I have my new course over here. So new project over here. So all of my new course over here. So go src and I will see this. Okay, so now if I open my Eclipse and if I refresh it, then it will be okay. But at this time I do not see my GitHub linked over here. So then I can do quickly one thing. I can delete this project. I can delete it, and now at this time I can completely delete it, because I already have it in my GitHub account. So I can completely delete it. Okay, it will not be deleted because I have to close my command prompt. Then I'll try it, then try delete it again. Okay, the project is deleted completely from my workspace. It's completely deleted. So now I can do another thing, that I can clone this project again, clone it, copy it, and then I can go to my command prompt and then cd workspace, and then git clone and then shift insert. Okay, then it will be cloned and then I will get my project back. Here is our entire thing. Now I will copy this and I will, now in my Eclipse I will import it. File, click on from Eclipse, click on file, then import, and then here this is a Java project, simple Java project. So I will click on general, then existing project into workspace, then click on next. On the browse I will select my project from here and then I will select this folder. Once I see this is clicked, this is my project, then I will click on finish. See, once I click finish over here, then as soon as it is imported, then you will see that I have my GitHub local project name my world, and inside the square bracket or third bracket it has my project and master. This my project name is my GitHub project repository name, and this master is the branch name, and this my project is my local project. So now I have successfully imported my local project into a newly created GitHub project. So this process is tricky. So if you do it for first time, so please follow these instructions clearly and carefully. So, and always keep a backup of your project, and once you are done, then you can delete your backup. And then you are done. Hope this will work for you, and if you face any problems, so please make your comment. I will help you. So if you like this video, please subscribe to our CSIDET expert channel. Thank you so much.